Long ago, in the land of Egypt, an amazing civilization thrived along the banks of the mighty Nile River. These people, known as the ancient Egyptians, were famous for their incredible achievements that still astonish us today. Firstly, let's talk about the pyramids. Imagine gigantic stone structures built with such precision that even today, it's hard to understand how it was done without modern technology. The most famous pyramid is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It was built over 4,500 years ago and is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. The pyramids were built as tombs for the pharaohs, who were the kings of Egypt. These pharaohs believed they would become gods in the afterlife, so they needed great monuments to commemorate their journey to the next world. Another fantastic achievement of the ancient Egyptians was their writing system called hieroglyphics. Instead of letters like we use today, they wrote using pictures. Imagine communicating your ideas through drawings of animals, people, and tools. Hieroglyphics were used to record information about everything from stories of gods and kings to everyday life. The Egyptians were also very smart when it came to science and medicine. They used herbs to treat diseases and created one of the earliest forms of surgical instruments. They understood the human body remarkably well and could set broken bones, heal wounds, and even diagnose diseases. The Egyptians were masters at farming too. They developed ways to use the flooding of the Nile River to water their crops. This was called irrigation. The Nile would flood its banks, leaving behind rich soil perfect for growing crops like wheat and barley. Their ability to manage water allowed them to have a steady supply of food, which supported a growing society. A fascinating belief of the ancient Egyptians was their journey to the afterlife. They had a book called the Book of the Dead, which provided instructions for the dead to navigate the afterlife. Part of the process for preparing a person for this journey was called mummification. This involved preserving a person's body so they could use it in the afterlife. The Egyptians were experts at this complex ritual, ensuring that bodies remained intact for thousands of years. All these marvelous achievements are just some ways the ancient Egyptians have made a lasting impression on history. Their contributions in architecture, writing, science,